Good morning, hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, July 8th. We will see a nice week, mostly warm, above normal, particularly later in the week, into the weekend, mostly clear almost all week, and then occasionally breezy with a couple systems passing to our north. It'll be one Friday, we'll get a little breezy in the afternoon in particular, and we'll get even stronger winds on Sunday. All week, as our temperatures will be rising, we'll be continuing to just have drier conditions and lower relative humidity, and we will be reaching near red flag conditions on Sunday. I'll go ahead and show you all that here in a minute. Here's our satellite imagery. We are looking to be clear today. There is we do have a lingering system kind of moving out. We will be a little bit breezy this afternoon, but clear skies, dry conditions, overall light winds Thursday, and then Friday we have a low here that will be dropping a little bit south, but still remain north of our area and just bring a little bit of breezy winds. So we do look to be mostly clear and dry that day as well. Looking at our matrix here, just low humidities overall, particularly in our valley areas, and then again, as I mentioned, we'll be reaching near critical conditions. Both on winds and RH across the Snake Plain and Eastern Magic Valley on Sunday. Otherwise, just critical values of low RH across these areas on these days here listed on the matrix. As far as our current fuel status, we are still good, so we would not be issuing a red flag unless these zones turn red. And you see we are kind of approaching it for 425. So with the warming and drying the next couple of days, we could be reaching the critical fuels on Sunday, potentially. Here's our ERC values. You can see as a whole, overall good, but with the exception of you see the 425 in the yellow, that area. But we are on the trend, the 3-day trend is increasing, and expect that to increase through Sunday as well. Here's our temperature for Wednesday, near normal. Nice today. This afternoon we will be a little bit breezy, like I said, as we had that lingering system from yesterday, a little bit zonal flow aloft, and so we will mix down quite nicely and bring some breezy conditions in the afternoon. Our min RH will be below critical just in a couple of areas here in that red area, but still low, below 20 in these orange areas. And then our temperatures on Thursday you see increase, will be near normal to slightly above normal, and then our RH, as you can see, more areas of that critical threshold below 15%. And then on Friday we're still same temperatures as Thursday, if not a little bit warmer, still slightly above normal. And then you can see our RHs are still quite low across most of the area, and the critical values there, the Arco Desert and Upper Snake Plain and Eastern Magic Valley. Wind gust Friday afternoon will be breezy again. Those are the critical values right there at 30. And then you can see we do have a small areas in the below 15%. So that will be a day that near critical thresholds as well, but our fuels will likely not be critical at that point for a red flag. Saturday, we can see our temperatures are even warmer. Have high pressure building back in behind that exiting system, and 4 to 6 degrees above normal, and then you can see more widespread critical values of RHs, and then you can see we remain not quite as warm as Saturday, but still above normal on Sunday, and then you can see the critical values here as well. But Sunday will be the breezy day. You can see multiple areas above the 30 miles an hour for threshold, and then above 25 for the mountains for the thresholds for our critical winds. Just as a quick summary, we will be a nice week, dry conditions, warming conditions, mostly clear almost all week, and we will have critical values to near critical values and humidities, particularly in our Snake River Plain and Eastern Magic Valley zones and the lower areas. And then we do have a couple systems we'll move through that will bring breezy conditions, particularly Friday and even more so on Sunday. So Well, that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.